Okay.
So what's first step, darling?
For the motherboard, I guess.
Did you put it in already?
But I don't have any light.
What is that thing to your right?
Craigasm, Craigasm.
This? This thing?
Yeah, what is that?
Oh, I don't know. Light tint?
Huh? What the fuck is that? Light tint? Oh, that goes on the top.
You can change at the top if you want for the CPU fans.
Wow. What else is in that box, Malena?
Just screws. Extra
yeah.
screws. Oh my gosh, fucking stop.
Okay. Wow, crazy. That's so cool that they added that.
Motherboard first, correct?
Malena, can we just take a second to appreciate how pretty your nails are?
My nails?
Yes.
Thanks.
I have never seen a prettier shade of period blood red in my life. It looks great.
You're fucking annoying.
What? All right, motherboard time.
So I brought all the screws that I took out of the other computer.
Mm-hmm.
Because some of them actually came with the components, and I didn't know which ones.
Listen, me and Malena have been dating so long, the word simp didn't even exist back then. And I actually wasn't a simp for Malena. Was I a simp for you?
Yeah.
What? Did you find the screws that come with the case yet, Malena? Because they're hidden somewhere in that box.
I'm gonna grab a bowl for the screws so I can see how many are of each. Shut the
f all right. So excited to be alive. Yeah. Like, do you feel like empowered, Malena, when you tell people to shut up?
No.
Then why do you do it all the time then?
Okay, I'm gonna start with screwing in the motherboard. And I don't have several cameras. So...
Wait, can we do something really quick, chat and Malena? Can we all just take a moment of silence to pray and hope Among Us dies so we no longer have to watch it anymore? I hope Among Us dies. This game is trash. Okay. Amen. Yeah.
Okay.
Nick, I have a secret to tell you.
What's up, man?
Come here.
I'm listening.
Closer.
I'm close.
Closer.
I'm here.
Ready.
Yes.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Okay. You guys are just so toxic. Chat, this is a community building stream, okay? We're all going to be really nice and kind. You know what, right now, chat? Pick a random person in the chat, in the community, and give them a compliment, okay? Just pick a random person. I'm going to pick a random person right now and give them a compliment, okay? Hey, fuck you. No, not fuck me. Fuck us. All right, how's it going over there, Malena?
It's going well.
Random off-topic question. Did you leave any of your dirty clothes behind? I need something to sniff. I'm feeling lonely.
Okay, I'm gonna try until I can find the ones that fit. They're like really thick. I didn't know motherboard screws was this fucking big, bro. Fuck. And I didn't know that it varied from case to case. Oh my god. I'm about to break something for 100% sure.
Look at all the community members.
Yeah.
Hi, community members. What's up, guys? Nocturne, what's up, bro? How you doing? Jordan, hey. War Room, what's up, bro? Look at all the community members we have.
Oh, it fits! Whoever told me to read the manual, you're a genius.
Wait, do you not have any standoffs?
What does that mean?
The things the screws go into?
There are stand-ups behind them.
If you screw that motherboard directly into the case, it could fry. Are there standoffs between the case and the motherboard?
There's little knobs, right?
Standoffs.
It's pre-installed.
Okay, they should be installed already.
Yeah, it doesn't
Witcher
say
says it comes with them already, so I believe you. Okay. Yeah!
It doesn't come with the...
Malena, you're doing great. You look beautiful.
Say yeah one more time.
Yeah! Okay. What a great day, chat. Isn't it a great day to be alive and breathing air? Guys, everyone breathe in some air. Come on. We're alive, guys. Yeah!
Yo, I'm doing it. It's working.
We're alive. Pog. I come from a different part of the world that people aren't used to coming from. And I'm telling you right now, it's why I'm so unrelatable. I don't get the struggle. I'm sorry. But I'm trying to learn. Can we have a donation goal to mute Nick for an hour? Why would you want to mute me? I'm a nice guy.
Okay, so what do I do next?
I don't know. What have you done so far?
Motherboard, SSD.
Okay. Power supply?
Power supply does not go in next.
How do you know? Are you telling me, the tech guy, how to build a computer? Guys,
can you just tell me what to do?
I recommended power supply, but you said CPU thing, so you can do whatever your pretty little heart desires. Guys, hearts for Malena, guys. She's out there in Norway providing content like crazy. Look at this content, dude.
I have to pee.
Ew. This computer's never gonna get built, guys. Yeah, don't Craigasm. Guys, this is a community. You don't Craigasm other community members, okay? We treat each other with respect and kindness, okay? And we love each other. That's what we do in the community, okay? Think how many less serial killers we would have if people around him would have been supportive when they were younger. We gotta be supportive and kind to one another. Is that why you ditched yesterday? Okay, I ditched yesterday because I was watching television. I'm sorry. Okay, do you guys forgive me? You know, sometimes you get in the shows and you just... No, is that not a good excuse? We pay you.
Have the fapping numbers increased after she left Nick?
Like 10 times fold. Yes, 10 times. It is great, Big.
Now what?
Just plug in those two power supply cables and then drape them through the back so you won't have that issue. Yeah, this is good. This is a good angle.
Just the cables?
Yeah, and just have them dangling like a ball sack.
So which ones of them?
The CPU power cables. Okay, name this movie. Ah, love. What a dreadful bond. And yet, so easily severed.
Bane.
Nope.
Play the song.
Pirates of the Caribbean 3. John Rambo Jr. got it. I'm going to tell you guys right now, if you truly want to get into the feels and get your emotions flowing, watch Pirates of the Caribbean 2 and 3 back to back. That is the greatest love story ever told. Change my mind.
Okay. Wow, this is perfect. Like
do not put the Pepsi... The condensation.
So let me find these cables. Someone said it's a 2x4 pin.
It will say CPU on it.
On the cable?
Yes. That's not it.
Well, I don't have the manual.
I'm so sorry, but that's not it. That's not it either. Babe.
Okay.
Why are you zooming in so crazy?
Oh!
Yes. See? Now that you need to find the other one. See, that's a 2x4. You need to find the other one as well.
So which way does this go in though? Does this go into the power supply or the motherboard?
That part right there goes into the motherboard.
Yeah. Okay, so then it goes like that.
Huh? No?
Okay.
Yes. Well, I can't see because you're so zoomed in. There we go. Hey! Now that one goes into the 4 and the other one goes into the 2.
So I put them into this hole, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So now that they're level... No, wait, you're trolling.
You're trolling.
Okay, where did they go in? Show me so I can plug them in.
At the way top.
Sure.
You have to stick it all the way. Yes, darling.
Can I just do that now just to be sure?
Yes, do it now. That's what you're supposed to do.
And then the big one obviously goes on the left because that's the only place that it can fit.
Yes, darling.
Okay.
Nice and
tight.
tight.
Then there's 4 of these.
Just pick one. Whatever fits.
Doesn't matter which one?
No, it does not. Whatever fits. What is this sort of... All right, does anyone here work for Pepsi? Can someone get Malena a Pepsi Max sponsorship? She drinks that thing more than... just like it's water. Have you been brushing your teeth since you've been in Norway?
Yeah, I've actually been brushing them twice a day.
Bro,
I've been eating so much fish.
Malena, I bought this crazy heavy duty toothbrush. It's like this big old thing. It like fits. It feels like a big old dick in my mouth.
Yeah.
Stop. And I was brushing it with it today, and like one of my upper teeth just started profusely bleeding. And it's one of the toothbrushes that spit in circles, so it put like swirly like blood all over my teeth. So it looked like I was like eating like a watermelon or something. I couldn't tell.
Where the fuck does the screws even go in? Where does the screws go in? Wait, isn't there supposed to be like a filter or something here? Wait, do the fans go under, Nick?
Sometimes. I don't do that personally. Listen, I've had 0 problems with my computer, and that's not the way I built it, so. Technically, they could go under. Work out. Play Satisfactory. Dude, Satisfactory is going to be the true community building streams, boys.
This is impossible.
Please do not give up, Malena. The whole world is counting on you right now.
Fitte helvete, faen så jævlig vanskelig at det fittedritet skal være da. Faen for noe piss.
How about we make it a 3-course meal? Appetizer, main course, and dessert. What do you guys think, chat? Someone said, yep, piss. Oh my god.
It may not be how you do it, Nick, but at least teach her proper technique.
PC guy, I believe you, buddy. I believe you, but I can't click that link because if you're a PC guy that has my IP address, clicked right on it. I don't know. What is a good American dish that I should make for you guys?
Watch The Verge's PC build guide 11/10.
You got it, real tech support guy. Do I go out, risk Corona to get some burger buns? What do you guys think? You know what? We're actually getting our backpack fixed very soon, so we can start IRLing again if you guys really want.
Yo, someone should send me a backpack.
No one cares about you.
Well, the thing is that I can go IRL stream for you here, you fucking dumbass. Do you think anyone wants to watch you and fucking Greek on car streams?
Guys, would you rather watch me and Greek or Malena by herself?
But it's not me by myself, because I can call you on like Discord, and then I can go on an IRL stream, and then I can basically just provide you the content with me going fishing and shit.
It's true. Someone brings up a good point. I do have 600 horsepower though. Does anyone care about that? No. Okay, no one cares. Fuck. I think I'm gonna sell my car and get a Tesla, guys. Thoughts? Actually, Chance has said that his next car is going to be a Tesla. It froze. So you know what we need to do? You know what we need to do? I need to take Chance's current car and drive it off a cliff. so he gets a new one. Oh my god. I can put a GoPro in his current car and then drive it off a cliff, and we can send the chat to their other demise with his car. What do you guys think? All right, now plug.
Okay, so here we go.
Yep, plug
so
those in.
So we got all these hanging cables.
Plug some of them into the motherboard.
Which ones?
The ones that are connected to the fans.
Okay, so we got this.
Some of them are worthless. Like
yeah, this one's worthless because I haven't used it before.
Yeah, that's worthless because that's for the RGB lights, and you don't care about that.
Fuck that. Okay, so now I got this. This is 4.
Yep. Plugged into the motherboard.
Yeah, but where?
Around the outside of the motherboard, there will be a place to plug it in. Wow, that is one pretty back of your head. Holy moly! Look at that head, chat.
Fan 2.
Look
Fan
at
1.
all the hair.
Up to the there.
Sure. There's also they're all around the motherboard too. There's probably even more. Probably one underneath the radiator too.
There's one right under the radiator here.
Yeah, plug it in there. Ooh, you have a little bit of flakes in your hair. It looks so cute.
Flakes?
Can I get woo get wild boy?
Yeah.
What do you mean flakes?
It looks good. Don't worry about it. Keep going.
Holy shit. Like, if you see that type of stuff, like, why do you call it out? You don't see me, like, pointing out your boogers and stuff.
How often do I have boogers?
A lot.
What?
It doesn't fit in there.
Just stick it in.
It doesn't fit in because it has, like, a little cage around it.
Okay, all right there. To your left. To your left. Now, touch the motherboard. Touch the motherboard. I'll guide you. Touch it. Now go left. Left. Right there. Right, left. Right there.
That's 4 pins.
Bro, Plug it on the 3 on the left. You're never going to find 3 pins. You see what I'm saying?
I see what you're saying.
Yes, yes.
Do you do CPU now?
Yes, CPU, and then we need the thermal paste. Wait, where's that cable? Follow that cable that's on there. Show me what it looks like.
It's RGB. It's useless.
Thank God. All right, get rid of that one. Yep,
Here's
plug that one in
one.
somewhere. There should be one down towards the left part of the case. Left side of the case, there should be one. Bottom left, maybe. Yeah, bottom left. I see one here.
I see it.
There you go. Wow,
Okay.
yeah. Woo!
Stop. Fucking stop. Okay, so now
Yeah.
I put the CPU down.
Yes, you do, my queen.
Okay, so did you remember to pack that for me?
Excuse me?
I'm trolling.
Good one. Can we get a massive good one for Malena, guys? Hello, where'd you get that CPU from? Did you hide it?
This?
Mm-hmm.
I had it in my wallet when I traveled.
Wow.
I didn't want it to, like, get scratched or anything, so I packed it really well.
Proud of you.
Do you know what left and right is?
Rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Yes, that's how it goes in.
No, because these dots... okay, do these dots not matter then?
I can't see. Where is the triangle on the motherboard? Zoom in on the motherboard. Where's the triangle at? Where's it at? Where's the triangle? Where's the triangle, Malena? I can't see it, man.
Nick, there is no fucking triangle. Do you know what a square is?
Someone says it's on the top left. Is the triangle on the top left? It should be a little indent. Just look with your eyes.
Yeah, there's a square right there. Triangle, triangle, triangle.
Are you fucking kidding me? Chat, I can't see. Is it top left? Okay. Good luck. You got this.
Oh,
Match it up.
I see it. It's on this side.
Yes.
There. Why did you show me the wrong side? Oh, it's there too.
Oh!
On the outside. It's on the outside.
That's what the fuck I was pointing at.
That's so. I thought you were talking about on the silver. So it goes in like this? Hello?
I mean, is there another triangle on there? Look for the triangle on there. You'll see it. It's like very lightly different color gray. People say it's in the top left. We'll just trust the chat. Chat, where does the triangle go?
Oh, I see it.
Is it top left?
Yeah.
Okay. Poggo.
So I match triangle with triangle, right?
Yes, but lay the case down. Let gravity help you here.
Okay. Whoop.
Holy fuck. What a disaster.
Shut the fuck up. Okay. And then lock it in, right?
Yep, lock it in.
Okay. It's locked in.
Okay. Now get some thermal paste. Move the camera so we can get a good angle of the paste. We want paste. We want paste.
Okay.
Some guy in the chat said, remember to put thermal paste on the pins. Little Chico, do I look like an idiot to you? How about you put thermal paste in your pee hole, kid? How about that? I'm just kidding.
Kid.
Adult. Over 18, of course. It's time for thermal paste.
I'm fucking nervous. Can I wipe it off first?
If you want to, but you probably shouldn't.
Why do I have this little spatula? Hello?
I don't know what that is.
Am I being ignored?
No,
Are you
no,
out
no.
of it?
You got this, Malena.
Okay.
One
unwrapping
little
them.
dot. Like one of my smaller flakes of dandruff.
Okay.
Right on the Z.
Wait, so what do you want me to cook tomorrow?
We need to focus on this, Malena. This is serious. You fuck this up, your whole day is ruined.
True.
This is as serious as a heart attack.
No, it's not.
Like a grain of rice.
So it's basically just to connect it. It's not that much.
Yeah,
so just a grain of rice.
Grain of rice, a little bud.
A little bit. Too much?
Yeah, try a little bit of bud. There you go. Perfect, 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 perfect. What the fuck is the extra?
Okay, I'll try. So on the Z?
Right in the middle.
Is that too much?
I don't know, we can't see it. It's too blurry. Just pull out, we'll see. Pull out. How do you not get on the Z, though? A little bit more than that.
It's on the...
It's not even on the Z, it's on the E.
Do you want me to use a spatula?
No.
Wait, is it more or should I just spread it?
A little bit more. Put
So
some on the Z. Alright, show us. Show us.
Hold on, it's leaking.
That's what she said. Did you even add any more?
A little bit.
Alright, that's enough, that's enough, that's enough.
You sure?
Let me see. It's not focusing. We need a little bit more than that. A little bit more, a little bit more. Right on the Z. There we go.
Hello?
Good enough, good enough, good enough. Good enough.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Can I pull it over with the spatula?
No. Alright, everyone's saying more, but I don't think so. Alright, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Alright, that's plenty. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Alright, Malena, and now for the hard part. Remember, once you push it down...
Okay, I think I got it. You ready?
Nmplol, you really are a complete idiot.
Yeah.
I literally cannot believe how stupid you are. I used the whole tube of thermal paste and my computer runs great.
Okay.
I have the new RTX 3080 and solitaire runs at 17 FPS.
I fucked up! I fucked up!
How?
It's sliding around!
No! Hold it!
I'm holding it!
No! Well, you got some hot looking hands, let me tell you. Your finger's looking weird. She has a janky finger. Why is it shaped like that?
I lost the screw!
No!
It fell out!
Oh my god.
I have it, I have it.
Oh, thank god. Oh god.
Okay.
Do not let go.
I'm not.
Clip it.
Wait. I have to let go.
No.
I have to, because the screw is fucked.
No.
It's not under the thing. It's not under the thing. It's the wrong way.
Let's have a preemptive...
Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up!
Let's have a preemptive F's in the chat for the thermal paste.
I can't! I literally can't do this.
The CPU. We had one chance.
Shut the fuck up! I can't see anything. It's too dark here.
It was so young. It only got to play Rust a few times. I have to lift it a little bit.
I have to lift it a little bit.
But now, there's no rubbing alcohol to clean up the
Shut the fuck up! You're actually trolling with my computer.
Yo, chat, I got 2 tears off it. Look, I got 2 tears off it. The CPU. It was so young. And now it's not.
You're so obnoxious.
It's not.
Why are you so obnoxious?
I loved it so much. But now.
I got it.
Whoa! Wait! There's hope! There's hope! There is hope!
Oh, it's sliding.
No! Please, Malena, save me.
Stop crying! You're so obnoxious!
Please, please. It still has so much to live for. You can do this, Malena. Bring him back.
This is Susoi. I can't be live what I'm seeing.
Fuck! I can't see anything. I'm actually losing my shit. Hold shaft, fan I helvete satan!
Round of applause for Malena Tootie, guys. Also, by the way, when I die, I want this at my funeral. I'm not kidding. I want this at my funeral when I die. What is going on?
What do you mean?
What are you doing?
So, dude, Nick, listen, hear me out. All right, I actually,
today, Nick?
I have my camera on because I'm doing a business
what?
proposal. Okay.
What?
Are you ready? I'm making a business proposal.
Okay, what is it?
So, Nick.
Yeah.
Remember that one time?
What?
Do you remember that one time?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I need your help in getting a PlayStation 5.
Okay.
Hold on. I will... Wait. All right. So I need your help getting a PlayStation 5. Now, wait, hear me out. I don't want you to buy it for me though.
Okay.
Never mind. I was gonna ask you to like this tweet because this girl said she'd give me a PlayStation 5 if I got 1,000 likes on the tweet, but then it just got 1,000 likes. So now it's.
Are you kidding me? You called me to sell out about a tweet, and then didn't even do it.
Because I already got the likes. I'm sorry. My bad, Nick.
I mean, fuck, mate. Okay. I'm glad. Hopefully that girl buys you the PlayStation 5.
You ready?
This is the moment of truth, Russell.
Nick, remember when you said my PC was broken and you made me buy a new graphics card and ended up not being broken?
Yeah.
You ready? There's no LED lights, so we won't know.
Here it is.
Oh, it's on.
Is it?
It's on. Yeah. All the fans are spinning.
Oh,
RAM,
shit.
Is it? Graphics card. They're all spinning.
Oh my god. How about you plug into a monitor? Plug a monitor into it.
But I have to move it over to where that computer is.
Honestly, round of applause, guys.
Thanks.
It only took you 5 hours to build this.